the law of cosines and finding a missing angle in an SSS scenario. Of course, all the sides are already given to you. That's why it's called side, side, side. And you most probably are gonna be asked for the measure of one of the angles or all of the angles. In this case, we're only asked to find the measure of angle A. So we have a triangle here. The sides are labeled. The AB is equal to 15, BC is 25, and AC is 21. See, we're looking for, we're asked to find the measure of angle A. Let's label that up. It's gonna be right there. Okay, that angle. Okay, we don't know that. All right. So now, what's our formula? So let's use the law of cosine, because even though we have all the sides, it's an SSS scenario. If we include the part we are being asked to find, we will end up with an SAS scenario. So we have S right here, and then you have angle right there, angle, and of course you're looking for, okay, you're looking for that angle, and then you have another side. You don't use the 25, well, you will use it, but that's your SAS in this problem. All right, so let me clean that up. Okay, clean it up. And again, I told you, just remember the ABC in using the law of cosine. So that's the formula we're going to be writing. Okay, it's going to be our law of cosine. It says that A squared plus B squared minus 2 times A times B times cosine C is equal to C squared. All right, so A and B are the given sides. A and B are the given sides. C is the angle in between A and B, and C is the side opposite angle C. So here, although A is named as A, actually that's our C in our formula. All right, and either this is going to be A and that's going to be B. Okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Of course, here it's going to be B right there. 21 is B and 15 is C. But okay, it doesn't matter because we only wanted our A, B, C. A and B are two sides. C is the angle in between them. It doesn't matter if the angle is named P, Q, R, or A. Okay, that's your C, the angle in between the two given sides. So let's plug in our information in the formula. Okay, so we say substitute. Let's substitute. It's going to be 21 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 times, just copy those two, A and B, 21 times 15 times cosine, well, our C is A, so it's going to be cosine A, because eventually we're going to be finding the measure of angle A. It's going to be equal to, well, C is the opposite. That's your C right here. 25 squared. Okay, 25 squared. Let's do some simplification. Okay, 21 squared is 441. 441 plus 15 squared is 225. Minus, well, I already multiplied 2 times 21 times 15. I want to check it out. Check with your calculator. It's going to be 630. 630 times cosine A. Cosine A, we don't know the value of A, is equal to 625. Okay, so let's do this. Let's combine these two fellows right here. This is gonna be 666. Woohoo! 666. Okay, don't worry. Okay, 666 are just number, minus 630 times cosine A is equal to 625. Okay, now we're solving for cosine A, so you want to get A by itself so that we can find the measure of angle A. So Let's subtract 666. Let's get rid of that as fast as we can. It's going to be minus 666. It's going to be negative 630 times cosine A is equal to 625 minus 666. Away with you. It's going to be negative 41. Alright, you're going to be solving for cosine A. So because you want to find angle A, let's divide by negative 630. Divided by negative 630. That will cancel. Is gonna be, I don't need that. It's gonna be cosine A is equal to, well, negative 41 divided by negative 630 is 0.0651. Now, Mr. Abalus, okay, you want to find, you want to find the measure of angle A, not cosine A. Of course, I know that. So, it's gonna be measure of angle A now is equal to cosine inverse in your calculator. You should know how to do that now. Cosine inverse 0.0651. Okay, so put it in. It will give you the measure of angle A is equal to, okay, to the nearest tenth, it will give you 86.3. 86.3 degrees. All right, it's gonna be yep, there you go. Measure of angle A is equal to 86.3 degrees. That's easy. Just remember everything that you know already. Do not forget them. That's life. Keep remembering things that are useful to you until you don't need them anymore. Alright? Next up, another situation where we can apply the law of cosine.